everything and then we'll continue. Okay, the next problem is also a fraction, very similar to the previous problem. But here, if you see in this problem, you had in the numerators, you had a unknown variable. But in the next problem, we have unknown variables towards one side and there are constants to the other side. Okay, so let us see how do we solve this. First, every time you get a problem in the examination, kindly rewrite the problem. Okay, write down the problem once again. So let us write down the problem once again here. So it's nothing but x plus 2 divided by x minus 2 is equal to 7 by 3. Okay, so what is the first step that we applied in the previous problem? What did we do? We tried something, right? Okay, many of them solved. Good, Spurti. So we tried cross multiplication, right? So we are going to do the cross multiplication here also. So you have to go like this: by cross multiplying. Okay, by cross multiplying. Now what do we get? 3 will go to the remainder. Very good. Many of them are getting the answers. Keep solving. So 3 into x plus 2 is equal to 7 will remain as it is. So I'm going to take x minus 2 to the other side. X minus 2. Okay. Now what is the next step? We are supposed to remove the brackets. Now to remove the brackets, I have to multiply. So 3 into, I have 3 into x plus 2. So I have 3 into x. So 3 into x is nothing but 3x. Then 3 into plus 2 is nothing but 3 2s are 6 is equal to, the next expression is 7 into x minus 2. So 7 into x is 7x. 7 into minus 2 is 7 2s are 14. So minus 14. Okay. Now we'll take x, all of the x to the one side. Yes. So what we are going to do is 3x minus 7x is equal to minus 14 plus 6. So 3x minus 7x, I'm going to get minus 4x. 3 minus 7 is minus 4. And to the other side, minus 14, oh, sorry, minus 14 and minus 16 it is. Plus 6 will come on to the other side. Yes, correct, Rajalakshmi, it is minus 6. I just missed that point. So minus 14 minus 16, you're supposed to add the numbers, but the sign will be minus. So it will become minus 20. Okay, so that is the simplification. Now at the end, I'll just write it here only. Okay, so x is equal to minus 20 by minus 4. Minus and minus will get cancelled. Okay, 4 ones are 4 5s are. So x is equal to 5. Very good. Many of them gave the correct answer. Understood? Any doubts in this problem? Okay, now let's go to the next problem. Okay, similar, use the same method of solving and try this problem. I'll give you 2 minutes. Use the same cross multiplication method. Okay, you're supposed to cross multiply, where your x minus 3 will go to the top for multiplication and 2x plus 1 to go to the other side. Will you try? I'll solve it after you try. After you giving a try, I'll solve it again. So first try. X is equal to 14. No, X is not equal to 14. You get a fraction. Okay, let us solve. Okay, let's solve it together. Now, same formula or same type. Okay, someone is saying 3 by 2. No, no, Spurti, just check. Okay, Spurti has got an answer. Yeah, 18 by 20, correct. Okay. Pujana, just check the answer once again. Okay, you're giving me in the decimals. Praveen, can you give the answer in the fraction? Okay, meanwhile, let's solve it by cross multiplication. So I have 2x minus 7. I'll just put a bracket for my reference. Okay. Then, okay, Spurti gave me 9 by 10, 18 by 8. Okay, no. Spurti's answer is correct. 18 by 20 or 9 by 10. That is correct. Praveen, recheck your question once. Whatever you have solved, no, just recheck once. Okay, we'll solve it here now. Concentrate. Okay, I'm taking x minus 3 above. So this will be my one side. If I cross multiply, x minus 3 will go to the numerator. Now to the other side, I have x plus 3. And then I'm going to take 2x plus 1 above. That is going to come here on the numerator. Did you all understand the first step? Everybody understood the first step? Okay, now let's continue. Now next step, we are supposed to multiply, correct? So what we will do, 2x into x will give me 2x square. Now until now, you had problems which said 2 into x minus 3. You just had only one number or constant or variable outside, and then you were multiplying this with the full equation or sorry expression, correct? Now you have two expressions. Okay, now you have two expressions, 2x minus 7, this is one expression, and then you have x minus 3, which is another expression. Now how you're supposed to multiply is, each of them should be multiplied with this complete expression, which means 2x into x will give me 2x square. Then 2x into minus 3. 2 3s are 6, correct? So 6 and then x. So what will happen here is 2x into minus 3 will give me 2 3s are 6, and this x I will write as it is. Understood? So first you will have to multiply 2x into x. That will give me 2x square. X into x is x square. X plus x is 2x. Remember this always and be careful while solving it. Okay. X into x is x square. X plus x is 2x. Okay. So here we are solving. We are doing the multiplication of the expressions. Now after this, the next expression. Now we have minus 7. Okay, minus 7. Minus 7 into x. Minus 7 into x will give me minus 7x. Correct? Then minus 7 into minus 3. 7 3s are 21, correct? But here it is minus 7 and minus 3. So minus into minus is equal to plus. So what will be the number? The number is going to be plus 21. So this is your LHS. Everybody understood? Everybody understood the first part of it? How did I get LHS? Okay. Now let us go to the RHS part. Now in RHS, the expression is x plus 3, 2x plus 1. Okay. X plus 3 and 2x plus 1. Now let us see how do we do this. First we have to take x into 2x. What will I get? X into 2x. Can anybody say me what will I get here? 2x 2x or 2x square? Correct. 2x square. Okay. Next, x into plus 1. I'm multiplying x into 1. So I'll just get plus x. Okay. Now, next expression. I have 3. I have 3. So let me choose another color. Now for this 3, I am supposed to multiply it with 2x. 3 into 2x. What do I get? 3 into 2x plus 3 2s are 6, 6x. Correct? And lastly, 3 into 1 is plus 3. So this is my step number 2. Everybody understood until here? Anybody has doubt? Okay, now let's go to the next step. Now from here, it's all simplification. Okay, so we will see how we are gonna do the simplification. Okay, now you have this long expression, right? You have 1 on the LHS. So this is your LHS and this is your RHS. Okay, now what we will try to do is we will get all of the expressions from RHS to LHS and we will equate them to 0. Now what does that mean? Let me write it down. Okay, I'll change the color. So you have 2x square minus 6x minus 7x plus 21. Okay, this is on one side. Now the other side of equals to, let us get it this side. Now if I get plus from this side to the other side, what will it become? There's an equal to in between. If I get the plus from the other side to the side, it becomes minus. Good. So here plus 2x square, when I get it to the other side, will become minus 2x square. Yes. Again, plus x, if I get it to other side, it will become minus x. Again, plus 6x will become minus 6x. I'll just continue here. Plus 3 will become minus 3. Now, I got all of the expression before equal to the afterwards here. So, I am going to equal all of this to 0. Understood? I'm just getting complete RHS expression to LHS, but when I get the expressions to the other side, I am gonna change the sign of every expression or every variable and the constant. Okay, now it is easy for us. The next step is, let us see what all we can cancel in this equation. Now if you see here, you have plus 2x square and minus 2x square. Yes, so I can cancel plus 2x square and minus 2x square. Understood? I can cancel plus 2x square and minus 2x square. So x square is gone. Now whatever is remaining, from that, let us add all of the x values to one place, or let us take all of the x values to one place. So which all x values do we have? We have minus 6x, minus 7x, and then minus 6x. So minus 6x, minus 7x, and minus 6x. Can you say me how much will be the value? Okay, in between we have a minus x also. No, Ainas, check properly. You have, okay, let me add a page. You have minus 6x, minus 7x, again minus x, and minus 6x. Now, can you can you add everything? Though since all of the signs are minus, it is nothing but I am supposed to add all the numbers, but my sign will remain as minus. Correct? That is the rule. Yeah, very good. You will get minus 20x. So this is what I get when I add all of them. Okay. Now, apart from that, what are the numbers which are left out? I have plus 21 minus 3. Now, plus 21 minus 3, how much do I get? Plus 21, wait a second. Plus 21 minus 3. I get plus 18. Yes, so everybody agrees that. So I have minus 20x plus 18 is equal to 0. So this is the expression I have now where I am supposed to solve the x. Okay, so let us do that properly. So minus 20x plus 18 is equal to 0. Good, Spurti. 18 by 20. Correct. I think others also are getting the same answer now. Now I am supposed to take 18 to the other side. So what I will do? Minus 20x is equal to, if I take plus to the other side, it will become minus 18. Minus 18. Okay, so x is equal to minus 18 divided by minus 20. Now here, since there is minus and minus in both numerator and denominator, I'll cancel minus and minus. Now x is equal to 18 by 20. This can be your answer, or you can simplify it a little. Now let us cancel this or divide this by 2. 2 ones are, or sorry, 2 tens are 20. 2 nines are 18. So I can say x is equal to 9 by 10. Either you can write x is equal to 9 by 10 after simplification, or what you can do is you can just stop it at 18 by 20. That also will work. It is better you give the simplified form, but if you are getting too much confused with the simplified form, please leave it at 18 by 20. Understood? Can we go for the next problem? Before that, any doubts until here? Okay, good. Now let's go to the next problem. Now can you people try? Very similar to the previous one. Give it a try. I want you to get that multiplication right. Okay. How you have to take, first step will be cross multiplication. After cross multiplication, we have to do the multiplication. Okay. Now give it a try. I'll give you 2 minutes. How much ever you can, you try and solve. Sorry. Minus 61 by 35. Very good. Very good. Yeah. Padma Priya, that minus is common for both of them. Okay. Minus 61. When you get minus in numerator or denominator, make it as a common minus for both of them here. Okay. Good. Spooty has given the right answer. Many of them have got the right answer. Very good. Very happy about it. So then help me solve this. Let's quickly solve this. So first we have to do cross multiplication. Now by cross multiplication, yeah, minus 61 by 35 is the right answer. Good. Okay. Now we are supposed to multiply the expressions. So 5x minus 8 will remain as it is, and 3x plus 5 will go to the numerator. 3x plus 5 is equal to 3x plus 3 on the other side will remain, and 5x plus 7 will come to the numerator onto the other side. Correct, Manasa. Answer is right. Okay. Now, the next step. Let's go to the next step. Next step is nothing but multiplication of expressions. That is 5x minus 8, 3x plus 5. So 5x into 3x. 5 3s are, or 3 5s are 15. X into x is x square. Okay. Then 5x into 3x, then 5x into plus 5. Again 5 5s are 25x. This is one form. And then minus 8. Minus 8 into 3x will give me 8 3s are 24, and x will remain. So minus 24x. How did I get minus 24x? 8 minus 8 into 3. So 8 3s are 24. So minus 24. And then 3 had a x. So 24x. And then lastly minus 8 into minus 5. So 8 5s are 40, but it is minus 8. So minus 40. Minus 8 into 5 will give me minus 40. So this will be the first side or the LHS of the expression. Any doubt until here? Okay, now let's go to the RHS part. Now RHS is 3x plus 3 into 5x plus 7. Okay, so first 3x into 5x will give me again 3 5s are 15 x square plus 3x into 7. 7 3s are 21. So I'll just write it below here. Okay, here. So 21x plus now 3 into 5x. 3 5s are 15x. Then the next step is 3 7s are. Okay, 7 3s are 21, but here the both the signs are plus, so plus 21. Okay, this is gonna be your next step. Okay, this is gonna be your next step. Any doubts until here? Let me add a page. Okay, now the next step is getting all the expression from RHS to LHS. So what all did we have? We had 15x square. We had 15x, sorry, just wait a second. We had 15x square and then plus 25x minus 24x minus 40 is equal, sorry. Now if I get all the to the other side, the sign will change. So again minus 15x square minus 21x minus 15x minus 21 is equal to 0. So this will be my next expression. Now, which two variable can I cancel? Which two variable can I cancel? I can cancel 15x square. Yes, plus 15x square and minus 15x square. So I'm going to cancel plus 15x square minus 15x square. So after this, let us add on all the x values to one side. So which all x values we have? 25x minus 24x minus 21x minus 15x. So how much do you get? How much do you get in total? Minus 35. Everybody got it? So we get minus 35x. Now apart from that, what are the numbers which are left over? Minus 40, minus 21. Only two numbers. So what does minus 40 and minus 21 give me? I just have to add the numbers, but then give sign. Do not forget the sign. I am supposed to give minus sign, but I am supposed to add the numbers. Okay, good. So now let us write down the next step. So the next step is going to be minus 35x minus 61 is equal to 0. So I can take 61 to the other side. So minus 35x is equal to minus 61 will become plus 61. Correct? Minus 61 will become plus 61. Now my next step is x is equal to 61 by 35, but 35 is minus. So you can make that minus as common. So what you can do is x is equal to minus 61 by 35. Write this minus in the center. So it applies to everything, every number. So x is equal to minus 61 by 35. Everybody got this answer? Everybody. Many of them gave me the right answer. Very good. Okay. Now, can we go to the next problem? We can do one more problem. Okay. A little different type of problem. What we did now, it was cross multiplication. But if you see the problem until now, what we had only one expression on the, or one complete equation on the left hand side and one on the right hand side. Correct? Okay. So we were having something like this: x by 4 is equal to 10. One on the LHS and one on the RHS. This is what we were having. But now we will have an extra expression on the LHS. So we will have two expressions on the LHS and one or more than one or two expressions on the RHS. So we are slowly increasing the difficulty level of the equation. Now, in such case, what do we do? The first step, what you're supposed to do is find the LCM of denominators. Okay, find the LCM of the denominators. Now in this problem, very good. Now in this problem, what are the denominators? 4 and 3. So for this 4 and 3, we'll find the LCM, and that common number we are going to consider it here. Now, how do we find LCM when we have more expressions? Okay, LCM is 12. People have found. So you have used that 4 and 3 and 4, 2 2s are, then 2 1s are, then 3 1s are, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Correct? Okay, people also found x is equal to 100 by 7. Good. Yes, Lakshmi. Okay, so now another easy way how to do that is, I'll just say you what is the other easy way. Now, if you see the denominator And if you multiply the denominator, what is the number you get? The denominator is 4 and 3. Correct? Now, what is that number you get when you multiply? 4 3s are 12. So what we will do is we will we'll multiply the denominator, and when you multiply the denominator in the in the expression or the equation, you're supposed to cross multiply the numbers here. Now, what am I talking about? Let me show you. So x by 4 plus x plus 5 by 3. Now I am taking LCM. So 4 3s are 12. I am doing this. Now you're supposed to cross multiply the number, which means 3 into x plus 4 into x plus 5. Understood? Why are we doing this? You should understand that also before doing it. Why are we doing this? Now, if you take this first expression, now if I multiply 4 into 3, I will get 12. Correct? So I am also supposed to multiply the numerator into 3 because I am multiplying denominator into 3. So into 3 and into 3 will give me 12 in the denominator, and I will get 3x in the numerator. Understood? Now, for the other expression here, if I multiply into 4 in the denominator, I will get 12. 3 4s are 12. Now, since I am multiplying 4 in the denominator, I should also multiply 4 to the whole of the numerator. Okay, cross multiplication is not simply done, it is done with a reason. So whatever you multiply to the denominator should also be multiplied to the numerator. So that is why we multiply into 3 and into 3 to the first expression, and into 4 and into 4 to the second expression. Understood? Understood until here? Yeah, 3x plus 4x plus 20. Correct, Spurti. Anybody has doubt in this step? This is the very, very important step, because if you miss this step, the whole problem will go wrong. Can we go to the next step? Okay. Now, after this, is equal to 10 will be there as it is. Okay, we will not change any of that. Now here you will get 3x plus 4 into x is 4x, 4 into 5 is plus 20. Okay, divided by 12 is equal to 10. Yeah, correct, Lakshmi. Whole divided by 12. Now going on, let me add a page here. Okay, quickly. Now going on further. Now what did I have? I had 3x plus 4x plus 20. Now this 12, I can take it to the other side. Now if I take this 12 to the other side, it will become multiplication. So 3x plus 4x plus 20 is equal to 10 into 12. So 3x plus 4x plus 20 is equal to 120. Understood until here? Everybody understood till 120? Quickly, we have less time. Okay. Now, the next step is 3x plus 4x, which is 7x. 7x plus 20 is equal